Hi Mama Bilin, wishing you a very happy, healthy, wealthy, and lovely 71st birthday. May you get all the things that your heart desire. Once again, happiest birthday! See you soon!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord, may the good Lord, may the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday, birthday na happy pa. Happy birthday, birthday na happy pa. Happy birthday, birthday na happy pa. May pansit ka ba dyan? Uy, may litson ka ba dyan? Uy, happy birthday, birthday na happy pa. Happy birthday, birthday na happy pa. Happy birthday, auntie. Wishing you good health and God bless you, and God will give you more birthdays to come. We miss you, we love you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi mga Bilin, happy 17th, 71th birthday di ay ma. Enjoy your birthday ma, and wish you all the best and good health always. Pohon kasi makauli pohon sa birthday ni mo. Enjoy ma. Ingat mo dia, ingat tanan. Regards to all.
Lola Lovelyn, mayang gabi Happy birthday, and I wish na daghan pa nga birthday ang moabot sa imo, good health, og see you soon. We love you so much.
Happy 71 birthday la. We wish you more birthdays to come and good health la.
Og ako ama pong wish sa imuha lang nga kanang stay strong lang dira amping permit magkita rata sa dira sa sintangan puhon magbakasyon mi. God bless la. Happy
Okay,
birthday.
God bless la.
Enjoy sa mong birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday ma. Wish ko sa imo nga daghan pang birthday mo abot sa imong kinabuhi o kapiskay sa panglawas o mga panalangin. Magkita tapon. God bless.
Sweeter as the years go by, sweeter as the years go by. For Jesus' love is sweeter, sweeter as the years go by. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lola Lovelyn!
Hi, hello, good evening sa tanan. Labi na sa akong mama diha, ikaduhang mama na nag-celebrate karon sa iyang special day. Yan. Happy birthday ma. Thank you sa tanan and more birthdays to come in your life. God bless you always. Stay healthy always. More blessings to come. Happy birthday again and good luck. Thank you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mama. Wish ko wish ko sa good health and more birthdays to come. Amping permi. Lalo sa kalusugan. Hope to see you soon with your apo, with my family. Love you, Mama.
Happy birthday Lola Lovelyn. Good health. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday Mama Lovelyn. More birthdays to come. Good health. Enjoy lang po. Sana mag-iingat lagi.
At sana maging masaya kayo kahit wala kami dyan. We love you.
Happy birthday, Lola. Wish you good health.
God bless. God bless. God
God
bless.
bless.
Love.
Love you. Happy birthday, Mama Belen. I love you.
Ante, happy birthday. And I know na malipayon ka kay makauban ka mo sa imong mga igsuon. And salamat sa Ginoo sa kabaskog sa lawas, although there is mga struggle, but God is good all the time. Kay gipabot ka pa niya sa 71 years nag-exist ka diri sa kalibutan. Kag I know and I believe na hatagan pagyud ka niya og mataas nga kinabuhi. Salamat pod sa tanan-tanan kay sa imong pagtudlo nako since sa gamay pa ko hantod sa di ako sa imong mga puder hantod karon nadala nako. Thank you so much kay naging mama taka sa pila man ka tuig sa akong kinabuhi. Salamat. And again, happy birthday to you. I love you, Auntie. Bye-bye.